Mock exams aren't far away, so let's do one question per day, okay? Day 8. Oh, so we're going to do n squared minus n minus 1. And what I recommend you to do is to use the table function in your calculator, okay? And just find a counterexample and then make a concluding statement. So from my table, I can see if I put 8 in, 8 squared minus 8 minus 1, that will equal 55. And 55 is not prime as it's divisible by 5 and 11. Hence, the statement is false. Okay. Prove the following statement is always true. The difference between the cube and square of an odd number is always even. Okay? So first thing we need to do for this question, and we need to move, depending on how you want to do it, we're going to let n equal 2k plus 1 or 2m plus 1, whatever you want to let it equal. So long as it's 2k plus 1, okay? That will always give us an odd number, right? Now we're going to do 2k plus 1 squared, cubed, sorry, and then minus 2k plus 1 squared. Okay, so there's a lot of expanding out we could do. I strongly recommend we use our body Pascal. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. This will help us quickly extend out these coefficients, okay? Because we know the first coefficient is going to be 1 times 2k cubed, and then add 3 times 2k squared times 1, add 3 times 2k times 1 squared, and then add 1 cubed. Okay, and if we simplify that, we get 8k cubed, add 12k squared, add 6k, add 1. And we're going to subtract that from this, expand it out, so I'll just do the same thing. 2k add 1 squared. If we expand it out, we get 2k squared times 1, add 2 times 2k times 1, and then add 1 squared. So that gives us 4k squared, add 4k, add 1. Okay, and some of us might have been able to see that straight away. Now what should I do with these two terms? Well, just subtract them. 8k cubed, add 12k squared, add 6k, add 1, and subtract it from 4k squared minus 4k minus 1. Okay, can cross off the minus 1s. Can simplify this. This becomes 8k cubed, add 8k squared, and this becomes add 2k. So we can now take out a common factor of 2, 4k cubed, add, sorry, brain just froze, 4k squared, add 1, okay? Hence, this is even, and we have shown the difference, and then I'll just repeat the statement. So the difference between the cube and square of an odd number is even. Okay, and now I'll just finish off. Right, so lots in there. You could have done this quicker, but it's not bad for a 6-mark question. Okay.